students, welcome to RP class. Okay, next question. They given 4 points. We have to check whether it is a quadrator or not a quadrator. So first we need to take the 4 points. Let the given points be. Let the given points be A of 4, 5, B of 7, 6 and C of 4, 3, D of 1, 2. I am taking the 4 points A, B, C, D. Next, we have to find the 4 sides and the 2 diagonals. So, first we need to find the AB using the distance formula. What is the distance formula? x2 minus x1 the whole square plus y2 minus y1 the whole square. Now, this is x1, this is a y1 and this is x2 and this is a y2. You just apply the value in the formula. x2 equal to 7 minus 4 the whole square plus y2 equal to 6 minus 5 the whole square. 7 minus 4 equal to 3 square plus 6 minus 5 1 square. 3 square equal to 9, 9 plus 1 equal to root 10. Root 10. Next we need to find the BC value. We need to find the BC value. Now this is a x1, y1 and this is a x2, y2 value. Apply the value in the formula. So x2 minus x1. So 4 minus 7 the whole square plus 3 minus 6 the whole square equal to 4 minus 7 minus 3 the whole square plus 3 minus 6 again minus 3 the whole square. 3 square equal to 9 plus 9 equal to root 18. Okay. BC. Next we need to find CD. CD. Now this is a x1 y1 value and here x2 y2 value. So x2 minus x1 1 minus 4 the whole square plus 2 minus 3 the whole square equal to 1 minus 4 minus 3 square plus minus 1 square. 3 square equal to 9, 9 plus 1 equal to root 10, equal to root 10. So we got CD equal to root 10. Next we need to find the DA. DA. Now this is a x1 y1 value and this is a x2 y2 value. Apply the value in the formula. So 4 minus 1 the whole square plus 5 minus 2 the whole square equal to 3 square plus 3 square equal to 9 plus 9 equal to root 18. Okay. Now we done all the 4 sides. Next we need to find the 2 diagonals. What are the diagonals? AC and BD. AC. Now this is a x1 y1 value and here x2 y2 value. So 4 minus 4 the whole square plus 3 minus 5 the whole square. 4 minus 4 0 square plus minus 2 square equal to 0 plus 4. Root 4 value is 2. So AC equal to we got 2. Next we need to find the next diagonal BD. BD. Now this is the x1 y1 and here x2 y2 value. So 1 minus 7 the whole square plus 2 minus 6. 2 minus 6 the whole square. 2 minus 6 the whole square. 1 minus 7 equal to 6 square. Sorry, minus 6 square plus minus 4 square. Minus 6 square equal to 36 plus 16. Plus 16 equal to 5. 52. So BD equal to 52. Now we check. See what you got. What you got? A, B, C, D. Okay. Here you got AB equal to root 10 and BC equal to root 18 and here also root 10. CD equal to root 10, DA equal to root 18 you got. And AC equal to how much? AC equal to 2 and DB equal to we got root 52. Now you just take opposite sides are equal. AB and CD are the opposite sides. Both are equal, root 10. And here, what are the opposite sides of AD? BC. Opposite sides of AD is BC. So, both are equal. So, opposite sides are equal and diagonals are unequal. Then we can say this ABCD is a parallelogram. Then this ABCD is a parallelogram. What is the definition of parallelogram? Opposite sides are equal and the diagonals are unequal. Then we can say it is a parallelogram. Then we can say it is a parallelogram. So then you write the AB equal to CD equal to root 10 and we got BC equal to DA equal to root 18 and AC not equal to BD. That means what? Opposite sides are equal and diagonals are unequal. Therefore, equal and are unequal. We got opposite sides are equal and diagonals are unequal. Therefore, ABCD is a parallelogram. Therefore, ABCD is a parallelogram. So, we have to know all the definitions. What is a parallelogram and what is a square and what is a rectangle? We have to know. What is a square? What is a square? Square means all the four sides are equal and the two diagonals are equal. Four sides are equal and the two diagonals are equal. Then we can say it is a square. Suppose rectangle means opposite sides are equal and diagonals also equal. Here four sides are equal and diagonal also equal. Okay. Here opposite sides are equal and diagonal also equal. So square means four sides are equal, diagonals are equal. And a rectangle means opposite sides are equal, diagonals also equal. Suppose it is a parallelogram. Suppose it is a parallelogram in opposite sides are equal and diagonals are unequal. Diagonals are unequal. Okay, these three conditions everyone have to know. Then only, so they will give us 4 points. First we have to find the four sides and the two diagonal we have to check. Then you just check the condition. Four sides are equal, diagonals are equal mean that is a square. Opposite sides are equal, diagonals also equal mean that is a rectangle. Opposite sides are equal and diagonals are unequal. Diagonals are unequal mean that is a parallelogram. That is a parallelogram. And 7th question. Find a point on the x-axis which is equidistant from 2, -5 and -2, 9. Okay. What they are given, try to understand the question. They are given a 2 points and they are saying the 2 points are equidistant from on the x-axis. See, this is the x-axis and here y-axis, right? What they are saying, find the point on the x-axis. On the x-axis, one point is there. Okay, yeah. Suppose the point is P. We have to find this point and they are saying this point is equidistant from AB and AP and PB. These two distances are equal, they are saying. AP equal to BP. They are saying the two distances are equal, and also they are saying the P point is on the x-axis. On the x-axis mean we know what? On the x-axis mean y value is 0. So x comma 0. The P point is x comma 0. So we have to find the x value. We have to find the x value. So then you see, first let the given points be A of 2 comma minus 5. A of 2 comma minus 5 and B of minus 2 comma 9. Let the required points be what? P. P of x comma 0. Why? They are saying the point is on the x-axis. On the x-axis mean x comma 0. Suppose in the question they are given the point on the y-axis. On the y-axis mean the point is what? P of 0 comma y. The point is 0 comma y. On the y-axis mean x value is 0. On the x-axis mean y value is 0. Y value is 0. So here they given on the x-axis, therefore P of x comma 0. Next we need to find the AP using the distance formula. What is the distance formula? x2 minus x1 the whole square plus y2 minus y1 the whole square. y2 minus y1 the whole square. This is an x1 y1 and here x2 y2. So x minus 2 the whole square plus 0 minus minus 5 the whole square. So a minus b the whole square form, x minus 2 the whole square mean a minus b the whole square form. What is a minus b the whole square? A square plus b square minus 2ab. So x square plus 2 square minus 2ab. 2 into x plus 5 square, minus into minus plus, so 5 square, which is equal to x square plus 4 minus 4x plus 25. So x square minus 4x, just add the constant, 25 plus 4, 29. So let it be like that only. Next we need to find the BP. BP. Now this is a x1, y1 and this is a x2, y2 value. What is the formula? X minus minus 2 the whole square plus 0 minus 9 the whole square equal to x minus into minus plus 2 the whole square plus minus 9 the whole square. Here a plus b the whole square form. What is a plus b the whole square form? A square plus b square plus 2ab. So x square plus 2 square plus 2 into 2x plus 9 square equal to 81. 81. Nine square equal to 81. Okay, here BP equal to root of x square plus 4x, 2 square equal to 4, so 81 plus 4, 85 plus 85. So we done AP and BP, and in the question they given AP equal to BP. Why given? Why? They given which is equidistant from the point, 2 points. So we can say AP equal to BP. So then you just equate the value. What is the value? Root of x square minus 4x plus 29 equal to x square plus 4x plus 85. Next is squaring on both sides. Squaring on both sides. Now if we square on both sides, the square root we can eliminate. The remaining things you just write. X square minus 4x plus 29 equal to x square plus 4x plus 85. Then take all the variables one side. So constant on one side, variables one side. X square minus 4x minus x square minus 4x equal to 85. I am taking this 25 here. So now it is a minus 29. So x square plus x square minus x square cancel. Minus 4x minus 8x. Minus 8x equal to which is equal to 6. And 7 minus 2, 5. So x equal to 56 divided by minus 8. So x equal to minus 7. X equal to minus 7. Therefore, the required points B. Therefore, the required points B. What is the point? X comma 0. So x value is minus 7. So minus 7 comma 0. Minus 7 comma 0. See, here only we have to know the points on the x-axis. On the x-axis mean y value is 0. X comma 0. Suppose in the question on the y-axis mean we have to take 0 comma y. Okay. Then they given both are equidistant. So we have to find AP and BP value. Then we have to equate. The squaring on both sides mean we can eliminate the square. The normal simplification we will get the x value equal to minus 7. Therefore, the required point is minus 7 comma 0. Minus 7 comma 0. Thank you.